In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off recording stereo sound on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then scroll all the way down until you find Camera Settings. Then just get into it, and that's where you can easily find the option which is called Record Stereo Sound. By default, this option turned on, so once you are recording a video using camera up, it will record sound in stereo mode. However, if you would like to turn it off, just tap at that toggle to disable that option. If it is turned off, it will record sound in mono mode. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.